Who made the cake?
You and me.
What's fun? Are you done? You like the cake?
Yep.
So, cake tastes better.
Oh,
This is what we're gonna use. This is the whisk. We have to part the egg.
okay.
We have 1,
3.
2, and 3.
I know it is 3.
Now, here, beat the egg.
What?
Beat the egg.
Wow. How did you do this?
Okay.
Oh, okay. You're doing makeup under there. Hey, that's exposing the small one. Wow. How did you do this?
Okay. Now,
We need a lot.
and now,
Wow. We need a lot. Oh, that smells good.
this is the cinnamon.
Yep.
I'm gonna add a little.
Hey,
And now, we're gonna take the big one.
I need it. We're gonna need to mix it.
Now we're gonna mix.
Okay. After we're gonna mix it again.
Wait.
I can mix it.
Not too hard. Leave it there.
No, Jemima's eating the bubble. No, Jemima.
Now I'm gonna add.
Now we're gonna put it in.
If it's good,
It's not good. Hey, no, don't do it fast.
we're gonna pour it here. I'm gonna pour it in the water.
Daddy, the cake is almost done. Daddy, there's just one thing.
We're gonna bake it.
Oh, Jemima, you're so pretty.
We're just gonna look here. Mima,
No, Jemima. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Daddy! 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I'm gonna find Dada. Baby's in upstairs. Daddy?
you don't see Daddy?
No. Also in my room. Also in Jemima's room. Also in the back, in her room and Daddy's room.
Who made the cake?
You and me.
What's fun? You like the cake?
Yep.